Hello, today I'm going to show you how to protect or lock your file or your folder with security password. As you can see in the video, now I can hide my folder and my personal information with the security password as well, and no one can see my personal folder or my secret files. And if I want to see my secret folder, I just enter my password and unlock it. Then my secret folder will show up. And if you want to hide it back, just enter any letters which you have set up, then it will be hidden. So now, I will show you how to do that. Here, I have a personal folder that I want to hide. I won't let anyone to see this folder, because it's my personal information in there. And if you want to secure or hide your file, then you need to download the code that I have provided the link in the description, and then follow the video. And here, just enter any password you want, but you have to remember your password. For example, I create my personal password. Again, whatever password you entered here, you must to remember it. And after you created your password, then just click on File and choose Save As. And find the folder that you want to hide. And remember, here you have to change from text document to all files. Then you will see all files in the folder. Then just rename your folder to whatever you want, but remember, you must type .bat at the end, as you can see in the video. Then just click Save. OK, and now go to open your folder. Then you will see a new file in your folder, then just double-click on it. After you double-click on it, you will see a new private folder show up. Then just send all the folders or the files that you want to hide into the private folder. Then again, double-click on your tool and type letter Y and hit Enter. You see, now your folder is hidden. And if you want to see your folder back, just double-click on your tool and enter your password. And after you enter your password, then hit Enter. You see, now my folder is back. And again, if you want to hide it back, just double-click and type letter Y, then hit Enter, and your folder will be hiding with your security password, and no one can see or open your folder beside of you. You can unhide it every time you want. This is very important for your protection, so I hope this video is surely help you. And finally, if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the like button. And if you have questions, please leave your comments below. Then we will see you in the comments section. Thanks and bye for now.